their poise, their panache, their confidence. And now it's about time for the girls to come up on stage for the judges to judge them on the basis of the question answer round, that is the intelligence round. So without wasting any more time, I'm going to call on stage our first 8 contestants, the intelligence round. Could we have the first 8 contestants on stage, please? Girls, you know the rules. I will call out your name. You will come up front here. I'm going to give you 3 chits, which has the names of our judges. You pick up 1 chit, which means you pick up a judge. You will name the judge, and he will ask you a question. You will answer the question. You will get 1 minute to think and answer the question. In case you want our judges to clarify or repeat the question, you may ask to do so within that 1 minute. Judges ready? Audience ready? All right. Contestant number 1, Mamta Shetty.
Vijayanath Shetty.
Hello. Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Hi, Mamta.
Yeah, hello.
I like your style. I like your eyes. You got a nice face and a nice face cut.
Thank you, sir.
I just want to. My question to you is this: that in Mangalore, people treat girls, in a little bit different way. The kind of dresses they wear, and there has been this attacks in the past. They think a little bit different about girls, and we have this Miss Mangalore over here. So what do you think about that? This is a brave step taken by V4, and you also participated. So what are your views on that? Can you just tell me that?
To be frank, I'm really not confident today. I'm very nervous.
Yeah, but you still think, I think this is a general question, and I think you can make an attempt. And you were confident on the stage when you did the ramp walk and you spoke earlier. So I think I'm just asking a question. What do you think about this Miss Mangalore contest which these people have organized? I think it's been a very brave event and everybody's participating. And in this place in Mangalore where people are opposed a little bit of such kind of events. So what do you say about that? I mean, is it good? Is it bad? And if it's good, it's why? What do you think about it? I want your views. What do you think about it?
I really wanted to be the one among these participants. That's it, sir.
That's all you can say?
Yeah, that's it, sir.
Okay, great. Thanks.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Mamta. Our second contestant is Sneha.
Sir Vijayanath Shetty. Good evening, sir.
Hi, Sneha.
Hello.
When I saw you walking in this dress in the stage, it reminded me of Mumtaz. You know Mumtaz?
Yeah,
The
of course,
actress?
I know. Thank you so much. It's a great honor.
Very nice dress, and you look very nice also. And well, the same question which I asked Mamta, can you answer that? Did you understand the question?
I remember her one song.
No. I'm asking about the same question which I had asked Mamta. Did you understand that question? About
No, sir. Could you please repeat it once
okay.
again?
In Mangalore, a lot of people were against such kind of events in the past. There are pubs over here where people have attacked and everything, and there are girls who are treated in a different manner. I'm saying not everybody, but some of them, and there was a scare about girls roaming alone or wearing short dresses and all those things. And here we have a brave attempt by U4 and the organizers to put a Miss Mangalore over here, and you all have participated. So what are your views on that? I want to know. What do you think about this event? And
I think Mangalore is a beautiful place already in itself. I personally know words to express what Mangalore is. This is the place where I'm born for. This is the place where I look into. So this is just a place where I feel like the culture is just wonderful. Itinamma nama illadu podu dumbu namaskara malpuwa. Mummigu malpuwa, ajja, ajji, akleg malpuwa. Our namaskara is just so touchable for me. So this is just special for me. The thing is that Mangaloreans, they never forget their culture. Wherever they go, how far they go. The word namaskara will always be on the tip of their tongue. Thank you so much.
thank you.
Our third contestant is Champaka.
Vijayanath Shetty, sir.
Or maybe, okay. I just want to know, well, I don't think you're beautiful, okay? And I don't think you're smart even. So what do you think that, why did you join Miss Mangalore?
I think, thank you for the question, sir. I think beauty is not something that you're looking at me on my face. I have a beautiful heart. And beauty comes from within oneself. I am kind, I am compassionate, I love my country, I'm here to make my parents proud. So that is beauty according to me. And the fact that I'm standing in front of you and talking to you is a proof enough that I am smart enough to be here. And it is that the beauty is something that emanates from within yourself. It is not an external beauty. I might wear a short dress, I might look nice, people might, that is, an external appearance. But for me, beauty is something that emanates from within myself. The culture that my parents have taught me, the morals, the ethics that will take me a long way in life, something that is going to make me a human being. That is beauty. Thank you.
Great answer. Actually, you're beautiful, but I just wanted to provoke you, and you look smart also, but I just want to know what to say. Thank you very much.
Fourth contestant is Kritika. I apologize.
Sapna Dhananjay.
Hello, Kritika.
Hello.
You look smart there.
Thank you.
I would like to ask you, what is the essence of being a woman?
Being a woman itself is a God gift. Woman is mother for a child. Woman is loving, caring, and woman has patience and tolerance which edges over a man. So this is the essence of being woman.
Okay.
Thank you.
And now, fifth contestant, Shweta.
Vijayanath Shetty, sir.
Hello. Hi.
Hello, sir.
I really appreciate the height you have. It's very.
Thank you, sir.
I think you have an edge over other people. Why this contest? What made you think you'll win this?
Sir, this contest, actually, I'm a student of this college, Karavali College, and I've been walking on this ramp from past 3 years. So I never thought of actually modeling and all, but when this contest came up, and I have my height, I have the looks, so I thought, okay, let me give a try. So maybe, and this is a very good platform. In Bangalore, it's not usual. In Bangalore, Bombay, you have it all, you have modeling, but in Bangalore, it's not usual. So it's a very good platform.
Anything else you have other than looks and height?
So I
What's the main thing in taking part in a competition? You should have to take part in a
should
competition.
have the attitude. You should have the attitude to walk on the ramp.
Okay, I was looking for another word. Okay, anyway, thanks. Thank you.
Sir.
Contestant number 6 is Meghna.
Dr. Sapna Dhananjay.
Hi, Meghna.
Hello, ma'am.
You look gorgeous.
Thank you.
Okay. I would like to ask you, if you win this title as Miss Mangalore, what would be your contribution to the society other than being, getting into your filmy world or being a model or...
Thank you, ma'am, for the question. If I win this title, Miss Mangalore, I think more than anyone, I would make my parents proud. That is the first thing that comes to my mind than thinking of anything else. The second thing is I would definitely want to be a role model. And I'm an all-rounder. I'm a sports person. I'm a dancer. And I've achieved in the field of education. And I'm an engineer by profession. So I've always been an all-rounder. And I would always want to be an inspiration for the young generation. And everybody who wants to do something big and achieve in their life, something great that they can. And it's that there is nothing impossible in the world. So I just want to say everyone that look at me, I'm an ordinary girl here today. All that I want to give is make my parents proud, and anybody can do it. Thank you.